Here's the magical hair growth drinks. Ingredients needed for first drink is a handful of curry leaves, a half cup of curd. Take a handful of curry leaves, place it in a jar, add half cup of curd, make a fine paste out of it. And this is optional. You can add water, you can add a pinch of sugar or jaggery and have it on daily basis for 30 days. You can see the change. Curry leaves. Curry leaves are a rich source of beta-carotene and proteins which can reduce hair loss and increase hair growth. It helps in removing dead hair and it also strengthens your hair. Second drink is biotin shake at home. Ingredients needed for that is a handful of peanuts, handful of almonds, handful of walnuts and 1 banana and pumpkin seeds and any berries what you have in home, coconut milk or almond milk. Soak the peanuts and pumpkin seeds into water and leave it for a night. Put all these into a jar and grind it. Here's your magical drink. Benefits of biotin shake is it consists of B complex which will give you strength. It keeps your skin glowing and your nails will be strong. You must try this. Carrot drink. Ingredients needed: carrot 1 piece, ginger a small piece, half lemon and cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Cut the carrot into small pieces, blend ginger and carrot, add half a lemon juice and add cinnamon powder. Carrot prevents your hair loss, ginger boosts up your scalp, lemon hydrates your body and cinnamon powder is for the flavor. If you need sweetness, you can add raw honey to the drink. Amla drink. Ingredients needed for amla drink is 2 big amlas, small piece of ginger, half a lemon and a handful of mint leaves. Put amla, ginger and mint leaves into the jar and grind it well. Add water and add half a lemon juice. And if you need sweetness in the drink, you can add raw honey for taste.